This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Deborah Baisden. Beautiful Cape Cod on one of the loveliest cul-de-sac lots in Middle Plantation with plenty of privacy and towering trees. 2-car garage plus an additional workshop makes this a perfect home for hobbies. Lovely renovated kitchen with white cabinets and stainless appliances and tile flooring. Hardwood in several rooms. Excellent schools, close to all amenities and traffic routes, neighborhood parks nearby, and Little Neck Swim and Racket Club by membership. Welcome home. For more information, review the details below.